Welcome back guys to another video. So today I'll be showing you on how you can download and install Need for Speed Mobile and configure WeChat without having someone else in China to scan your QR code. So guys, stay tuned as I run you through all the requirements, the processes for you to run Need for Speed Mobile without actually living in China. So first of all, we have to change the region of the Apple Store to China mainland. So we open Apple Store, we go to our profile, okay, and then to prompt a password, just enter your password. Okay, then we go to country or region. Okay, we can see now that it's loading. Just wait for it just a second. Okay, we change country or region. Okay, scroll down until you find and select China mainland. Okay, after selecting to load for a bit, it will bring the terms and conditions. Just click agree. So on this page, on the payment method, enter none and enter the China street name, China postal code, China region and district or province from China, as well as the phone number from China. So you can find those details from Google. After entering that, press next and it will take us on the Apple Store main menu. As you can see, we're in the China region. So now go to the search bar and search for Need for Speed. So after searching for Need for Speed, you will see that there is the icon and it's in Chinese. Just download and install. As you can see, mine is already downloaded. After that, go back to the main menu. After it has finished downloading, open the game and the game will open like this. So for some, it will request to download a few files. That's okay, just let it download. So after it has loaded, it will take us to a menu where it will ask for our login credentials. So as we can see, there's QQ, there is also WeChat. So for this one, we'll go and download WeChat because that's what we are going to use to avoid having our QR code being scanned by someone from China. So let's open our Play Store. Again, press back, then we search for WeChat. For me, it will request for me to change the region, of which you just press change, then to revert back to my original region. At this point, it's okay to go back to your old region. So as you can see guys, I'm back in my region. You can see the English. Then let me search for WeChat and download it again. So there, click download, then the download process will start. Okay, now that the download has finished, we open WeChat. Then we press sign up after it has opened. Then here we choose Facebook. Okay, we continue. Then we log in with our Facebook credentials. Then it will take us to another step here where we have to enter our details. Remember, you have to enter the same username as your Facebook on the name and the same number that is used to log in on your Facebook. Also, the password has to be the same exact password that you use on your Facebook. From there, go ahead, agree to the terms and conditions after entering the password, and then you press accept and continue. So it will take us to another menu, so we just wait for it to load just a bit. So on this menu, we're still accepting privacy and security conditions. Then it will prompt a security checkup. All you have to do is just match the puzzle, then you are good to go. Once that security checkup is done, it will take you back now to the login menu where you have to enter the credentials that you used, because it has now successfully created your account. From there, after entering, you will log in. From there, go back to our main menu, then we open Need for Speed Mobile. Okay, from there we choose WeChat. Then to bring this, you just press any button, then it will continue now to the main menu where you can now successfully play the game. Thank you for coming through and watching my videos. Please like and subscribe.